Today we will learn how to make watch commercial motion graphics in CapCut. First, import all the PNG file. Download link in the description. Drag and drop background, then adjust timeline duration. Click on ratio to change the canvas size as per your need. Select the layer and go to Mask tab. Set the mask at top, then go to Starting and add a keyframe to make reveal motion effect. Select the keyframe and drag it closer. The more closer mean to more fast animation. Split frame. Then remove mask, then add another mask to reveal motion from. Same process for this one. Adjust next layer, then add preset animation in it. Adjust animation duration by dragging it. Add transition effect on background. Drag shadow layer under the watch layer. Go to Effect and apply motion blur to make shadow. Then go to Basic tab, then click Blend option and decrease opacity according to your needs. Select both frame, then right-click, then compound path to make one frame so the animation or effect will apply on both objects together. Rest of the logo animation is easy, just watch my steps. I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. After adding animation, select all the frame, then right-click and make compound path to make them one frame. Split and delete extra part. Then select and copy-paste the same frame by Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Select, then click on reverse to make animation reverse. Add the logo where the circle is going to vanish, then reveal the logo like this. I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.